How do we say I love you in Spanish? Te quiero or te amo. How do we say good morning in Spanish? Buenos dias. How do we say how are you in Spanish? ¿Cómo estás? How do we say thank you in Spanish? Gracias. How do we say sorry in Spanish? Lo siento. How do we say please in Spanish? Por favor. How do we say help me in Spanish? Ayúdame. How do we say maybe in Spanish? Tal vez. How do we say good luck in Spanish? Buena suerte. How do we say I miss you in Spanish? Te extraño. Comment how many answers you got right and follow me to learn Spanish every day.